So just now.
NJ Garage here. We're doing an unboxing
Of the
drone. We got a
The
little drone
drone.
here. Just clear a spot off.
We'll take this. Take the Honcho.
Here's my custom truck from Robert.
Yeah, it isn't totally like. Let's just admit this. It wasn't like totally custom. Like we added on some parts. It's really. Yeah, all you do
Alright,
is-
here we go, guys. Unboxing.
Okay.
Alright, oh, that's introduce my
Get this out.
just kind of
Like
more
it
like.
has some sky like background paper.
Oh yeah. Kind of a cheaper thing. Got the instruction manual. Cheaper thing, $60. Right, get it out.
Yeah.
Pull it off the bench. Alright guys, just to let you guys know,
This is the background.
10 subscribers. Q&A.
Yeah.
Q&A, 10 subscribers. Alright.
And also we're going to do sometime a gaming video.
Yeah.
I thought we did. Nathan?
Probably
Actually,
not.
no. Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Battery.
Guys and girls.
Good at the LiPo that
Got some props. Like
Yeah.
Jason said, we got a LiPo here, I believe it is.
we have the holder.
800
whatever.
mAh
Landing
20C.
gear. We have the landing gear right here.
Sling gun. And we got up for the radio. Oh, a little stick shift there.
Slap this landing gear on there.
There's your brand.
Yep.
RC Sky Drone. Alright. How much batteries we need? Oh, probably 8A. Oh!
Oh, my mom must have showed it. Or not. No. Actually, no.
Yeah. Alright, so we got some batteries
Why did
in
I
there.
say our mom must have showed it. This is the first time having
It opened, yeah. Alright, we got a little gigabyte
Yeah.
card. Little
Maybe
end
it was-
protector.
Maybe it was our dad.
Maybe.
Jones.
Alright, see if we can get some flying video here in a hurry.
Yeah, I don't think there's the camera.
We don't need the camera. We got the camera right here on a tripod.
Wait.
Okay.
Did we ask if we can fly it? And O. Or we just want to plug in the battery?
See, where's the on off here? You should unplug that. Yeah, you can put that in there. I'll look for the on and off. No, not in there. Wow. Got some red lights there. These are all fake. These.
Let me try.
Yeah. Oh, look at.
There's like.
Maybe like.
Wait.
Alright guys, if you could help us out, we can. We're RC addicts, we can't even find the on and off.
Yeah, that's because.
We just got it, haven't did like any reviews. We just
Yeah,
got
we
it.
have seen people actually like use it just. We haven't actually tried. We haven't actually flied a drone yet.
No, we have.
Actually, we have flied.
Yeah. We got some helicopters up
little-
here.
We have flied little ones.
XE.
We have
CX.
flied little drones.
Got my blue one. Got a little XE Mini.
Um,
All of the Helimax parts for it.
yeah, that our dad bought.
Yeah.
We do not buy Helimax. Plus, we're not going to have a helicopter in our backyard that is maxed out. It is Helimax. And also, wait, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, and also we're going to have a party after this video.
Yeah.
So we have Pepsi,
Here,
Diet Pepsi.
We got some Pepsi, all this stuff. We got waters over here. We got
Yeah.
30 packs. 4 30 packs. Oh, that's good, Jason.
Rip this open. Because we're not.
Get you guys a nice view on my Wraith.
And we're going to have these back here, like at the other videos, just because, well, it isn't exactly for just the party. We're going to take it back.
All right. You got your little gigabyte chip thing.
Yep.
The battery. The battery, I don't know what voltage it was. This is
yeah.
nice. We got some spare wing mounts. Yeah, that's real nice. Especially us beginners. We started.
Oh yeah, and our sister
yeah.
called Brooklyn.
Yeah.
She's going to start a YouTube channel. So make sure to not
Maybe.
check it out.
Maybe.
Maybe. But if she has a YouTube channel, make sure to not check it out.
Look at that boat. Oh, you can't see it, but. Alright, come on, Jason. Alright, you got your charger, all your batteries, all that stuff in there.
Oh yeah.
You got your, obviously, the drone. There's your camera right there, Jason.
Oh.
Well, yeah, your camera is already installed, guys.
Oh yeah. And Nathan, come on, let's show them the shop. Where the shop is basically. So here's our place. Here. And then here's where the shop am.
Here's our big garage, basically. Our little machining. If you guys are into machining, you may see videos later. Here's our shop.
Yep. You might see our shop in a video. I forgot what it's called though.
What? Oh, the shop tour?
No. You might see the video in the one where we're jumping the stampede.
Yeah. Yes. Jumping this or ramping.
Jumping.
Ramping. Something like that. You'll see it in Stampede. All right.
Yeah.
All right. What are you cutting out with the dikes? All right. Like, share, comment, subscribe. 10 subscribers Q&A.